Sean, Jeff Brown, Chris, Jeff Lynn, Mark, Adam, Robbie, and Steve, once he gets it fixed, he'll throw it out there. Well, he's checked in, but he hasn't. Go. See him. See he's out there now. Got it. There we go. Got it just in the nick. There it is. Yeah. All right, you guys are chasing down Pat Herman's time of a 10.5.16 with a 9. Looks like Adam out there swinging on a 28.9 second lap. Blistering time. He's going to be working his way on the infield now. He's got Chris Van Air out of Georgia right behind him. They're 2 seconds apart on the clock. Chris is going to be the one doing the wall ride. He's going to be the white with the hot looking scheme in the front of the truck. Coming across the stripe. Now, yellow wheels. Gonna be looking like he's battling with Sean there. Sean's right behind him. Diving into the infield, coming through the King Straight. 5 seconds back from Adam. We're gonna find Adam on the track.
He's in front of me.
Right there? Okay. There it is. Blue and green with a yellow wheels. I got a finger point, so that's the one I'm gonna call out. There he comes across the stripe. 28.8 last lap. 28.9 this lap. I call that consistent. That's what wins races. Hot laps do not win races. Consistency does. Chris, 8 seconds back. Still doing work. Top 2 drivers are on TQ runs. Adam, Chris, Sean, and Jeff. Top 4. Then it's Mark, Robbie, Jeff, and Steve rounding out the field. Oh, Mark has a bottle. The grid. Something happened. He's going to come out swinging in round 2. Him and Sherman. And Kermit? No, Kermit ended up coming out. We're going to be in the B resort. I always hate it when you got fast vehicles at the bottom resort. But it happens. It happens. That's why we do a resort. Adam still laying it down. 29.4 last lap. 1 lap out of Adam. Where is he? Where is he? There he goes. Coming across the straight now. 8. Bobbled over there in the Bermuda area. Adam, Chris, and Sean. 1, 2, and 3. Adam and Chris are TQ time. Half a second apart from each other. Chris is just dialing in, trying to keep a good run here. Seeing if he can take it away from Adam here. What's across the stripe now? 5 thousandths of a second still behind Adam. Sean, Jeff, Robbie, Brown, and Steve rounding out the field from 3rd back. About to hear the lady say 1 minute left. This is race 12, race 13.
1 minute left.
You should be through tech and waiting. It's going to be a short race. I got 2 heats of that too. Thank you so much everybody that showed up. 164 entries is super, super, super impressive. I love it. Got a lot of local followings up here. I am digging it. Brad, Justin, and Jason doing work, keeping this track great for you guys. Don't forget the food truck is still serving, or will be serving all day. Might still be serving some lunch or breakfast stuff. It's in lunch mode now? Alright, it's in lunch mode. It's 11 o'clock, it's in lunch mode. 15 seconds left. Chris Van Air back to that top spot. Over the roller and into the infield. Through the woods he goes. Let's see if he's going to find Grandma's house. Sends it over top of the double, coming into the King Center. Round it over the roller. it smooth, keeping that trigger happy. Sideways and cattywampus. You got to roll on it. Keep on going. Keep on going. Track's still alive. Track's still alive. Track's still alive. Track's still alive.